Hello everyone! Welcome to Invested Lifestyle. Sobrang dami kong nakikitang mga fake gurus, MLM mentors, at mga misleading information sa internet. Kaya I decided to update my series, ang Crash Course to Financial Literacy. Sa mga bago dito, ako nga pala si Elaine. I am a project manager by day and social media activist in my free time. At today, we'll dive into the basics of financial literacy. Dito sa Invested Lifestyle, gusto ko lahat tayo ay maging financially literate. And I know I will be more busy next year dahil I will be starting law school. That's why I decided to film a crash course to financial literacy. Ayokong mahulog kayo sa mga scam at misleading information habang busy ako. Pero ang tanong, bakit kayo makikinig sa akin? Ang sagot ko dyan is, I do not have any conflict of interest. I will not sell you a course, financial product, or a business opportunity. My only favor is if you learn from me, teach other people that need it, lalong-lalo na yung walang access sa internet. And don't charge them anything. Bakit? Maybe if they learn how to handle their finances well, they can create value and contribute more sa economy. At sabay-sabay tayong aangat. If you like content like this, please hit the like button at let's start. Bakit nga ba natin kailangan pag-aralan ang personal finance? Simple lang. If you don't learn about money, other people will come and pretend to be experts at sisingilin kayo ng matataas na fees para i-manage yung mga pera nyo. Or bebentahan kayo ng unnecessary financial products or investments na too good to be true. In my experience, the only person you can trust is yourself. So, you need to learn. Kailangan nating maintindihan ang basic principles at fundamentals ng pera. Personal finance is about making informed decisions na direktang makakaapekto sa buhay natin, today and in the future. Just imagine, kung alam mo kung paano mag-manage ng pera mo, less likely kang mabibiktima ng mga scam.
Oh my God! Wow!
Isa pang tatandaan natin, personal finance is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Kailangan natin i-tailor ang financial strategies na natututunan natin based sa ating unique situations. For example, ang financial plan ng isang college student ay iba sa financial plan ng isang retiree. Kaya mahalaga na matutunan natin ang basics at paano to i-apply sa ating sariling buhay. Bago ka mag-invest, importanteng malaman kung gaano kalaki ang risk na kaya mong itolerate. This investor profile questionnaire can help you. The link is below. Pero, if you are outside the US, you might need to find a brokerage na you trust. Remember, hindi nyo kailangan ng middleman. It's better to learn to invest by yourself. Yung ibabayad nyo sa middleman, like for example, IMG, idagdag nyo na lang sa investment nyo. At remember, dapat hindi lang sa iisang resource kayo natututo. Look at different resources and then compare kung ano yung pinaka-logical at yung mga walang conflict of interest. Kung risk-averse ka, mas magiging conservative ang portfolio mo. Konti lang ang risk exposure at maraming investments sa cash and bonds. Pero kung high-risk tolerant ka, pwedeng maging mas aggressive yung portfolio mo na may mas mataas na risk exposure pero may potential din for higher returns.
Yeah, boy.
Ang personal finance ay about compromise, balance. Balanse ng spending today and saving for tomorrow. Paano natin mapaplanong mabuti yung mga finances natin to achieve our goals? Ang ibig sabihin nito, kung mas marami kang gagastusin ngayon, mas konti ang matatabi mo for the future. Let's clarify what this means. Lahat tayo kumikita ng pera. Pwedeng sa allowance, sahod, or sa negosyo. You can choose what to do with it. Pwede mong gastusin lahat and live paycheck to paycheck, or you can spend some of it and then save the rest. Maybe put part of that amount in a savings account sa bangko and then take the rest of it and open a brokerage account online. It's easy to do. Pwede ka nga rin magbukas ng brokerage account sa bangko mo na mismo. Kahit na paunti-unti lang, and then hopefully, if you make the right investment choices, that yung pera lalago ng paunti-unti rin. Let's talk about investing. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng pag-i-invest at paano ito makakatulong sa ating future? Ang investing ay paglalagay ng pera sa iba't ibang financial instruments para lumago ito over a period of time. Kahit maliit lang yung halaga, importante na magsimula ka ng maaga at piliin ng tamang investments para sa'yo. For example, stocks can offer high returns but with higher risk, while bonds are safer but with lower returns. Ano ang pinagkaiba ng saving at investing? Pareho silang mahalaga pero magkaiba ang kanilang roles sa ating financial plan. Ang saving ay ang pagtatabi ng pera para sa future needs, like emergency fund or pagre-retire. Ang investing naman ay ang pagpapalago ng pera. Pareho silang mahalaga dahil ang saving ay nagbibigay ng security habang ang investing ay nagbibigay ng opportunity para lumago. Ang budget ay isang blueprint kung paano mo gagastusin ang pera mo. It helps you track your income and expenses para ma-ensure you spend within your means and save for your goals. It doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to start at habang natututo ka, you can improve it. Step 1. Isulat nyo lahat ng mga sources of income nyo. Step 2. Ilista nyo lahat ng inyong expenses. Step 3. The goal is yung gastos mo ay hindi lalampas sa magkano yung kinikita mo. After matuto ka mag-budget, dapat unahin mong goal ang emergency fund. Bakit? Dahil ito magpo-protect sa atin sa unexpected expenses. This is the reason bakit hindi ko gusto ang companies like IMG. Dahil pagkabayad mo ng membership, may kasama na agad na mutual fund. But you need to build your foundation first so they don't practice what they preach.
Damn!
You need to have an emergency fund before putting your money in equities like mutual fund dahil hindi ka pa naman sigurado na that's the fund that you want to invest in. Mutual funds has a lot of fees. Kung wala kang front-end fee, meron yung annual management fee at early redemption fee. At aggressive ang risk profile. If you are a beginner in financial planning, you need an emergency fund first. Kailangan mo ng safety net for unforeseen expenses para ma-prevent mo ang financial stress. Pag nagipit ka, kung nakatali sa mutual funds or iba pang long-term instruments ang pera mo, then mababawasan pa yun dahil sa penalties at sa mga fees. Ideally, it's best na magkaroon ka ng at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses sa emergency fund mo. This ensures na kahit mawalan ka ng trabaho or magkaroon ng emergency, may pera kang magagamit agad na walang penalty. Makukuha mo ng buo. Ano naman ang credit at paano natin ito magagamit ng tama? Paano rin natin mamamanage yung mga utang natin? Ang credit ay isang paraan ng paghiram ng pera na kailangan bayaran in the future. Madalas may kasamang interest. Importanteng gamitin to ng tama to build a great credit history. Kung may utang ka, siguraduhin mo na bayaran mo to on time para unti-unting mabawasan at magtiwala sa iyo yung mga bangko or other loan companies at papautangin ka nila ulit. Ang utang ay pwedeng makatulong or makasama sa atin. We'll talk about it more in detail sa mga susunod na video. Pero gumawa ako dito ng video about utang. If you want to watch it now. Pero I'll make an updated version. Now, let's talk about insurance. Bakit ba mahalaga ang insurance? At paano natin to pipiliin? Ang insurance ay nagbibigay ng financial protection laban sa unexpected events. Importanteng magkaroon ng tamang insurance coverage para maprotektahan yung sarili mo at yung mga dependents mo or family mo. For example, health insurance helps cover medical expenses, while life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones if something happens to you. One important thing you need to remember is insurance is not an investment. It's for protection. Anyone telling you na insurance can be your retirement is lying to you. I will personally not bundle any insurance products nakasama ang investment. One will always suffer. It's one of the mortal sins you can do to your finances. Sa personal finance, you need to be independent as you can. Huwag tayong magtitiwala sa iba for our financial decisions. Being financially literate means you are in control of your life. Hindi pwede yung puro tiwala at belief lang. You need to start asking the right questions and getting the right answers. If you get punished for asking questions or being critical, then they are hiding something from you. This is the harsh truth. Many so-called financial experts and influencers are just scammers in disguise. I said it. If you don't know how to ask the right questions, you're going to get scammed. Being financially literate helps you spot the fakes and avoid getting scammed. Masyado nang maraming naloloko. Don't be one of them.
Stop it. Get some help.
Marami ring nagsasabi na waste of time daw ang pag-aaral ng personal finance kasi ang experts tulad ng lawyers at investment brokers ay mas magaling kaysa sa atin. Kaya daw hindi na natin kailangan mag-aral kasi talo pa daw tayo ng mga taong yon. May point sila pero hindi porket expert ang kausap mo, tama na lahat ng sinasabi niya. Kailangan mo pa ring magtanong at mag-check. Hindi mo kailangang maging lawyer or broker para maintindihan yung mga financial agreements. Basta may basic knowledge ka, kaya mong magtanong ng tamang tanong. May ChatGPT na. You can ask ChatGPT to act like an investment expert and then you can ask your questions there. Pero syempre, hindi rin siya perfect. So, you still need to research more. Pero at least, meron ka ng basic understanding, di ba? Ang financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions and protect your interest. Sa totoo lang, ang mga so-called financial experts ay incentivized to make simple things seem complicated para maging dependent tayo sa kanila. Even though data shows they can't beat the market long term. If you look at history, napakaraming athletes and celebrities na niloko ng mga financial managers nila at so-called financial experts. And here's the twist. Mas madalas maloko ang mga polite na tao kasi takot silang magtanong at maka-offend ng tao. Kaya sinasabi nila, madaling ma-scam ang mga Pilipino dahil in our culture, takot tayo mang-offend at takot tayo na masabihang crab mentality or takot tayo maging critical. Yung pagka-polite natin, ina-abuse ng mga scammer. Dahil alam nila na karamihan ng mga tao don't want to seem rude at don't want to offend people. Pero tandaan mo, pera mo yan. Pinaghirapan mo yan. It's better to offend than to lose your hard-earned money. Kaya offend if you must. At remember, financial literacy is a journey. Kaya keep on learning, stay informed, and take control of your financial future. Salamat sa panonood ng ating first video of this series na Crash Course to Financial Literacy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa next episodes. If you love this video, please consider being a member. It really helps me to support this channel. At marami pa tayong pag-uusapan about finance. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget, invest more and keep it simple. Bye!